Okay, so here we are, finishing off this head detail now. Um, so what I want to do is bring the plasterboard around the corner. Now you can see that's metal and that's block work there, and I don't think fixing the plasterboard directly to the metal would be a great idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a slim batten in here that'll be fixed to the metal, and we can fix our plasterboard to that a lot easier, and we'll also take care of kind of lumps and bumps and things like that as well. So I need a little batten in here, and I think I have one here. So I downloaded these battens again from component, load family. Let's get back up here into detail items, and it is structural carcassing metal timber. And again, I keep telling you these things can be difficult to find at first when you don't know where they are. Carpentry timber first fixing, wood framing, and look, there's the battens there. So I just selected a whole load of those and I dropped them into the project, and here's where they are at the moment. So I'm taking that thinnest one and I'm left clicking and dragging it across, and you know, I'd like it even thinner than that now, I'm going to be honest with you, but it'll go in something like that. So to get the plasterboard to come around the corner, well, I'm going to do a filled region on that one. And so let's get in here, filled region. Let's see what I've got. Do I have anything? Do I have a plasterboard made up? I don't seem to have at the moment. So I'm going to take that one. I'm going to edit type. I'm going to duplicate. This will be plasterboard. Okay. And then I need to just swap out the hatching. And the plasterboard hatching is just that little fleck gypsum plaster. That'll do nicely. And again, I'm going to just make that kind of the dark gray there. And okay, that should be good to go. Now, using my line work tool and not invisible lines, I think this is a medium line on the outside, so bring that just down around. Now, you can draw this in kind of quickly. 10 mil, and again I'll just escape once and I'll draw that one there, escape that, and I will fillet these two together. So now I have to complete it, which would be this one across there. I see that was 12 and a half. Okay, finish it. Now the handy thing is that once it's done I can drag it up and drag it into position, something like so. Thicker. I'm actually going to drag this up a little bit more because tell you why, and see if I can bring it to the front. Yeah, okay, so it's covering over those kind of battens there. Now the reason I'm doing that is because look, that's the timber frame of the window and I don't completely want to cover that. In reality, I would suggest that that frame might be a little bit thicker, or it might be sitting on kind of a filler batten itself, which would mean that it's slightly down lower, if you know what I mean. That would be the ideal situation there, to get that much of the window frame showing. So I could put in a couple of battens maybe across there where that would be fixed as well. In fact, I can even do it if I wanted. I could just copy that one across maybe. You know, something like that there. Let's bring this down. Okay. Oh, that's probably not bad. Something like so. Okay, it's got this clip here which is protecting that there, and that is acting as a shadow gap. So look, there's various different ways that we can do that. I can drag that back up there so that it's sitting in. And I've got my plasterboard brought in around the corner here. If I wanted to join those lines, okay, what I would do is I'll go into modify, into line, into invisible lines, remember that? Pick on that a couple of times. Or what I should really do is select that, edit the boundary, pick that line and make that one the invisible line. Okay, let's finish that. There you go, something like that.